Smart Corner. These are Smart Corner properties. Right-click on Smart Corner button to open its properties. If the Smart Corner property is off, then stitch angle will set as default. If angle is greater than 75 degrees, so corner effect will remain default. Let's measure the angle. The angle is 78.7 degrees. If the angle is less than 45 degrees, this will create a cap corner. Let's measure the angle. The angle is 43.7 degrees. This we call cap corner. If the angle is less than mid or corner value, and greater than cap corner value, so this will apply mid or corner value in stitch angle, that is 75 degrees.